Let's solve this past what's the question 2018. 3 ships P, Q, and R are at sea. The bearing of Q from P is 30 degrees, and the bearing of P from R is 200 degrees. If PQ is 5 kilometers and PR is 8 kilometers, illustrate the information in a diagram. Let's go. You see it. This is not. This is sheet P. And there is another sheet Q. At the bearing of that sheet Q is 30 degrees from P. So you mark out 30 degrees from P. So this is not, let's say sheep here, Q, 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees from P. And this P is 5 kilometers from Q. Now, the second question, if PQ is 5 kilometers and PR is 8 kilometers, illustrate, and there's another sheep, and the bearing of P from R, another sheep R, the bearing of P from R, another sheep is 300. So from R, you locate that point somewhere here. That sheep, locate that sheep here. This is not, so this is sheep R. So this is sheep P, Q, R. But the bearing of this, of sheep P from sheep R is 300 degrees. So you start from the north and go 300 degrees. 90, 180, 270. 270 plus 30 degrees is 300. So you cover 330 degrees here. So now, and the question says PQ, PR is 8 kilometers. So this PR here is 8 kilometers. And this angle now is 300 degrees. Now, alternate angles are equal. So this angle is also 30 degrees. So let's join Q, sheep P, sheep Q to sheep R. We join sheep Q to sheep R. This angle is 30. The remaining angle here is 60 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Then what remains? This one is 300. And this angle is 30 degrees. Alternate angles are equal. So this angle is also 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. 30 plus 60 is 90. So this angle here is 90 degrees. So this is the diagram. Now, the question says, the second question says, calculate the correct two-dimensional figures. The distance P between Q and R. That is distance between P, Q, and R. This is the distance. This is what they asked to find. If you look at this question, this diagram on the board, this is a right angle triangle. So you apply Pythagoras theorem. So QR squared equals 5 squared plus 8 squared. Q squared R squared equals 25 plus 64. Therefore, QR equals square root of 35 plus 64 is 89. And square root of 89 is 9.4340 kilometers. Now, the question says, trace exact figures. 1, 2, 3. This is not up to 5. Round it down. Becomes 9.43 kilometers. Three significant figures. Now, let's go to the A. We have calculated Q or R, that is A. Now, let us calculate the bearing of R from Q. The bearing of R from Q, from this place. That is this angle. That's the bearing of Q. That is the bearing of R from Q. The bearing of R from Q. How do we go about it? We first of all calculate this angle here. Let's go. This is a right angle triangle. So you have to apply trigonometrical ratios. This is 8 kilometers. This PQ is 5 kilometers. PR is 8 kilometers. Now, we can use the tangent ratio. You say tan theta, call this angle theta, equals tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, which is opposite is 8 kilometers, adjacent is 5 kilometers, which is equal to 1.6. Therefore, theta equals arctan 1.6, which is about 57.9946 degrees. That is the angle. This is the entire angle here. But remember that this angle alone, this shaded angle alone, is 30 degrees. So for you to get this remaining angle, you have to subtract 30 degrees from 57.2. So let's get this angle. Call it beta. So beta is 57.9946 minus 30 degrees, which is equal to 27.9946 degrees. That is the angle beta. So this is beta equals 27.9946 degrees. But our bearing of R from Q is this. So we have to find this angle. You call it phi. So how do we get phi? Phi is, this place is 90 degrees. So phi is 90 degrees minus beta. So phi equals 90 degrees minus beta, which is 90 degrees minus 27.9946 degrees, which is equals, let us do this, the arithmetic here, 90.00 minus 27.9946. So this is 10 minus 6 is 4. So 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. This is 9 minus 7 is 2. And 8 minus 2 is 6. So what we have now is 62.0054 degrees. That is our phi. But the bearing of R from Q is 90 degrees plus 5, and phi is 62.0054 degrees. If you add it, equals, this is about, add 62 to add 90 here, 90 plus this, 450.2, 9 plus 6 is 152. So 152.0054 degrees. To trace the grand figures is 1, 2, 3. 152 degrees. 3 significant figures. Answer. It's all over. Like and follow my page and drop your question in the comment section.